Collecting Barbie dolls is more than just a hobby, it is an investment. But what happens when your collection is suddenly stolen or damaged? Today I'm explaining why it is crucial to think about protecting your collection from the very beginning, so you can be prepared for the unexpected. Hi, I'm Busy Bee from Germany. This is my little channel and we talk here about Barbie repairs. A break-in, a fire, these things can happen in an instant. And then what? Without proper insurance, you could lose everything. Many collectors underestimate the value of their collection. A specialized insurance for collectors can provide the essential protection you need in case something happens. Along with insurance, keeping a detailed list of your dolls is a must. Not only does it help you to stay organized, but it's also invaluable if something goes wrong. Starting a list early will save you time and stress down the road. You might be thinking, why go to all this trouble? Well, it's easy. It's just for the protection of your collection. You're investing time and money in your Barbies, and by documenting them, you go ahead. You will have a peace of mind that your collection is safe and secure. And it's not just about protection. If you're proud about your collection, you should display it properly too. Let's talk about some accessoires you can use to show off your Barbies in the best way possible. A great and budget-friendly option, space racks. They allow you to display multiple Barbies at different heights, making each one stand out. Of course, there are specialized Barbie stands, but they can be more expensive. Find out what works best for you. A well-maintained collection not only holds its value, but it always looks its best. Here are some simple tips to keep your collection in top form and protect them for the long term. One very popular form to keep your dolls protected from dust are these boxes. They are very popular in Germany, so you can display your dolls if you don't have enough space to put them in a showcase, but you can also see them and keep them protected. Another very good accessoire for keeping your collection in top form is a very good brush, so you can brush the dust away. This mini iron is also very popular among the doll collectors, but the heat regulation is not super perfect, so be careful when using it. But this is also a very popular item to keep your doll's clothes in perfect condition. I hope my tips and tricks are useful in this video for you. It may seem like a lot of effort, but if you start thinking about your collection early, whether through maintenance or through insurance or care, you will get the most value in the long run. If something unexpected happens, you will be prepared, and this gives you an inner peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.